Hello guys, today we have the Reveni Labs light meter. First of all, I want to say thank you to Matt uh, for for offering me this Reveni Labs light meter for review on my channel and to use with my students on the classrooms. So, we're gonna present this amazing teeny light meter made by Reveni Labs in Canada. So, let's open the box. The box have two batteries and also have the features of the Reveni Labs light meter, and here we have the Reveni Labs light meter. I have already installed the battery, one LR44. It's turned on now, and we're gonna present the features that this light meter have. So the screen is an OLED screen. It's easy to read even under the sun. It have the half stops. Here you can change the F value. On menu we have the ISO, we have the modes. In my case I'm on an aperture priority, also have shutter priority. Then move on, compensation exposure, EV exposure compensation, the time to shut off, and the ISO values. It have almost all ISO available on the market. This is the information that I have. Again, I'm on aperture priority, and every time you can activate and deactivate the EV information. It's made with 3D print technology. It's a nylon case with MGF technology, printed with MGF technology. It's very simple, very smart, and very small. It's a reflective light meter, and it's very useful for those who doesn't have a light meter on their cameras, or also have cameras with the old mercury cells damaged. You have a bunch of accessories that you can buy directly from Reveni Labs website, that I will put the link on the description. And now I will show you how to use this on these three cameras. On the Ashika, it's a cold show. You just have to put this and gently you slide. It's installed. You turn on. It measures. You adjust the camera on these knobs, and then you are ready to take the picture. It have a very sturdy construction. On this camera, it's installed here. As I said before, it's very, very small. It's the tiniest light meter available on the market. And for example, my Mamiya RB67 doesn't have a cold shoe or hot shoe. I have designed this that you can put like this. You slide it. It's a case to transport your light meter, and it protects the light meter, and you can install on these holes a strap. I will put the link on the description below for this design that you can print by yourself just using a 3D printer, and it's easy to carry on around your neck, and it's very useful to use on this camera, for example, that doesn't have hot shoe or cold shoe. So this is the review of Reveni Labs light meter. It's a great light meter. It's a must-have for those who still shot with analog cameras, and it's very teeny, very sturdy. And again, thank you to Matt from Reveni Labs for let me introduce this amazing light meter. I have already used it, and I will show you some pictures that I have taken with my Mamiya using this light meter for taking pictures. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Help me growing this channel. Thank you.